Don't let snoring keep you up at night. If you keep your mouth open while you're asleep, you will snore more. When you breathe through your mouth, air vibrates and echoes as it travels down your throat. This type of breathing can be avoided by making sure to breathe through the nose. You can prevent mouth breathing by using mouth sealants or chin straps that hold your mouth closed during sleep. Your local pharmacist should stock these kinds of assistive devices. Find out more about Stop Snoring remedies today.